Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 12 Japanese motorcycles to buy now and never worry about repairs again. Number 12, Yamaha V-Star 250. The Yamaha V-Star 250 is one of those rare bikes that feels timeless. It's light, simple, and built to last decades with almost no drama. For riders in the US who want a dependable cruiser that just works every time they turn the key, this one hits the mark. The V-Star 250 carries a relaxed stance, low seat height, and a classic cruiser look that appeals to both beginners and longtime riders. Under the tank sits a 249cc air-cooled V-twin engine, one of the smallest in Yamaha's cruiser lineup but also one of the toughest. This little motor runs quietly, handles daily commutes, and easily covers long weekend rides without breaking a sweat. Owners often report crossing well over 70,000 miles with only basic upkeep like oil, filters, and occasional chain work. The carbureted setup may seem old school, but that's exactly why it's so reliable. Fewer electronics mean fewer problems. The current price floats around $5,000, making it one of the most affordable cruisers on the market. Insurance and fuel costs stay low too, adding to its appeal for cost-conscious riders. Replacement parts are cheap and easy to find, and any small-town mechanic can work on it without special tools or software. In a market filled with flashy machines that promise performance but come with high repair bills, the Yamaha V-Star 250 stands as the simple, reliable choice. Number 11, Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 has earned a strong reputation in the US for being the perfect mix of reliability, power, and real-world comfort. Riders love it because it delivers performance without the headache of constant maintenance. It's a mid-size naked bike that feels just right, easy enough for daily use yet powerful enough for highway rides. With its sturdy frame and clean design, it's a machine that can easily last a decade or more with only regular servicing. Powering the SV650 is a 645cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine that's smooth, forgiving, and nearly indestructible. The motor has been around for years with small refinements, and owners often push it beyond 80,000 miles without a rebuild. It doesn't leak, doesn't overheat, and doesn't complain even when ridden hard. The throttle response is predictable, and the gearbox shifts like it's built to last forever. It's not about fancy tech, it's about engineering that works and keeps working. In today's market, the SV650 costs around $8,500 new. For that price, you get a motorcycle that demands little more than oil changes, tires, and the occasional chain adjustment. Fuel economy sits at roughly 50 miles per gallon, which means it's easy on the wallet both at the pump and in the garage. In a world where newer bikes often age too fast, this Suzuki keeps running like day one, and that's exactly why it belongs on this list. Number 10, Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 takes the classic cruiser shape and turns it into one of the most dependable large displacement bikes you can buy in the US. It's a machine built with the same reliability Honda has been known for over decades. Simple to maintain, tough under pressure, and designed to run cleanly for years without issue. It's powered by a 1083cc parallel twin engine borrowed from the Africa Twin, tuned for smooth torque and long-term durability. The motor uses a single overhead cam design and advanced fuel injection, giving it steady performance with little strain on internal parts. A new Rebel 1100 will cost around $10,000 in the US, which is fair considering what you get. Maintenance is minimal, with long service intervals and a solid dealer network across the country. Many riders see it as a one-time buy, a big cruiser you can hold onto for the long haul without facing expensive surprises. At the end of the day, the Honda Rebel 1100 isn't about chasing trends. It's about owning a big, comfortable, and long-lasting cruiser that feels just as steady at 50,000 miles as it did on day one. For anyone who wants a powerful ride with peace of mind, this is it. Number 9, Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 is one of the most reliable and best-selling naked bikes in America, and for good reason. It blends everyday usability with mechanical toughness that's hard to match in its class. Riders pick it for its low weight, sharp handling, and affordable running costs, but what keeps them loyal is how little it asks for over time. The MT-07 doesn't need special care. It just runs mile after mile without drama or expensive repairs. At its core is Yamaha's 689cc parallel twin engine, famous for its durability and character. It delivers smooth torque across the range and feels responsive without being harsh. The motor's crossplane design gives it steady power delivery and long life. Many owners report going past 90,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil and filter changes. A new MT-07 goes for around $8,500 in the US, making it one of the best value-for-money bikes in its segment. It's light on fuel, light on upkeep, and strong in resale value thanks to Yamaha's proven reliability record. Parts are cheap and available everywhere, and the bike's simple design means fewer things to fail in the first place. In a time when some modern bikes are overloaded with features that break before the warranty ends, the Yamaha MT-07 stays true to what matters: durability, control, and fun. Number 8. Kawasaki Z900 RS. The Kawasaki Z900 RS mixes retro looks with modern reliability, creating one of the most dependable bikes in its class. It's aimed at riders who want old-school style without giving up the ease and dependability of modern engineering. For US buyers, it stands out as a motorcycle that looks special yet behaves like a daily rider, smooth, solid, and built to outlast most of its competition. It runs on a 948cc inline-4 engine that's both refined and tough. This motor delivers strong mid-range power and silky throttle response while staying impressively durable. Many riders have clocked over 100,000 miles without internal issues, proving Kawasaki's reliability hasn't faded with time. In the US, the Z900 RS costs around $12,000 new. That's not cheap, but you're paying for longevity and proven engineering. Maintenance costs stay reasonable because parts are shared with other Kawasaki models, and there's no shortage of mechanics familiar with it. Owners also note low depreciation, which adds long-term value for those who like to hold onto their bikes for many years. The Z900 RS isn't just another retro remake, it's a reliable machine dressed in classic styling. For anyone who wants a bike that blends timeless design with proven strength, this Kawasaki delivers mile after mile without complaint. Number 7. Honda CB500X. The Honda CB500X has built its name in the US as one of the most trustworthy midsize adventure-style bikes on the road. It's simple, reliable, and backed by Honda's long history of building machines that just don't quit. The CB500X is perfect for riders who want something easy to live with, comfortable enough for long rides yet light and predictable for daily use. It's not loaded with gimmicks, which is exactly why it lasts so long. Power comes from a 471cc parallel twin engine that's smooth, efficient, and nearly impossible to kill. This same engine has been used in multiple Honda models and has proven to handle over 100,000 miles with only basic maintenance. The motor runs quietly, pulls well across the rev range, and never feels stressed even on long highway trips. It's liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and tuned for reliability above all else. A new CB500X costs around $7,000 in the US, which is solid value for what it offers. Service intervals are long, parts are inexpensive, and many owners report doing most of the work themselves because it's so easy to maintain. The Honda CB500X might not shout for attention, but it quietly proves its worth every single mile. If you're after something you can ride for years without worrying about surprise repair bills, this Honda fits that role perfectly. Number 6. A Suzuki TU250X. The Suzuki TU250X is one of the most dependable small displacement bikes available in the US, perfect for riders seeking simplicity and reliability. Its lightweight frame and minimalist design make it extremely easy to handle, whether commuting in the city or enjoying a weekend ride. The TU250X doesn't require constant attention, and owners frequently report going many years and thousands of miles without major repairs. At its heart is a 249cc single-cylinder engine that is both rugged and efficient. The air-cooled motor produces manageable power and torque while staying extremely durable over time. Many owners reach 60 to 70,000 miles before needing any significant engine work, which is remarkable for a small bike. A new TU250X costs around $4,500 in the US, which is exceptional value considering how low its maintenance demands are. Insurance, fuel, and replacement parts are all inexpensive, keeping total ownership costs very low. For riders who value reliability, low costs, and a bike that just keeps running year after year, the Suzuki TU250X proves that simplicity and durability always win in the long run. Number 5. Honda Shadow Phantom. The Honda Shadow Phantom is a true cruiser that blends style with longevity, making it a top choice for riders in the US who want a low-maintenance, dependable bike. Its blacked-out aesthetic and classic cruiser proportions catch attention, but the real strength lies in how Honda built it to last. With proper care, the Shadow Phantom can run smoothly for well over 100,000 miles, and owners often report minimal issues even after years of daily use. It's a bike that rides comfortably, feels stable at all speeds, and requires little more than routine oil and filter changes. The Shadow Phantom is powered by a 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine designed for durability rather than high-strung performance. The motor delivers consistent torque, quiet operation, and solid acceleration for a cruiser of its size. Its fuel injection system ensures smooth starts in all weather, and the engine has been praised for its resistance to overheating or wear. Riders frequently mention that the transmission and clutch hold up exceptionally well, with few complaints even after heavy usage. Pricing for a new Shadow Phantom in the US sits around $8,000. That includes a bike that's simple to service, widely supported by dealers, and inexpensive to insure. Replacement parts are easy to find, and even independent mechanics can handle repairs without expensive tools. For anyone looking for a cruiser that combines classic styling with mechanical peace of mind, the Honda Shadow Phantom delivers. Number 4. Kawasaki Versys 650. The Kawasaki Versys 650 has earned a strong following in the US as a versatile and reliable midsize adventure bike. Its upright seating position, manageable weight, and balanced chassis make it ideal for daily commuting, weekend rides, or longer trips. Riders choose it because it blends comfort with proven durability, and the engineering ensures it lasts well beyond what most bikes in its class can handle. Powering the Versys 650 is a 649cc parallel twin engine known for its smooth performance and long life. The liquid-cooled, fuel-injected motor delivers consistent torque across a broad range, making it forgiving for riders of all skill levels. Many owners report surpassing 90,000 miles with routine maintenance like oil changes, chain adjustments, and brake inspections, with very few mechanical problems. In the US, a new Versys 650 costs around $7,500, which is reasonable given its build quality and versatility. Overall, the Kawasaki Versys 650 combines practicality, longevity, and versatility in one package, making it a bike that riders can trust for years of trouble-free riding, whether commuting, touring, or exploring winding roads. Number 3. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 stands out in the US as a mid-size cruiser that's simple, stylish, and extremely reliable. Its lightweight frame, low seat height, and balanced ergonomics make it accessible for new riders, yet experienced motorcyclists also appreciate its easygoing nature. The Rebel 500 doesn't demand constant attention, and many owners report riding well past 60 to 70,000 miles with minimal maintenance. It's the kind of bike you can ride every day without worrying about expensive repairs or unexpected breakdowns. Under the seat sits a 471cc parallel twin engine that is smooth, durable, and proven over years of use. The liquid-cooled, fuel-injected motor offers consistent torque, responsive throttle, and quiet operation. Its simplicity is part of its charm, few things can go wrong, and the components are built to last. Riders often mention the transmission and clutch remain dependable even after long mileage, reinforcing its reputation as a low-maintenance motorcycle. A new Rebel 500 costs around $6,000 in the US, which makes it an excellent value for a reliable midsize cruiser. Fuel, Insurance and parts are all budget-friendly, and service intervals are generous. For anyone looking for a dependable, low-stress cruiser that offers years of comfortable riding with minimal upkeep, the Honda Rebel 500 delivers exactly that. A motorcycle built to keep going, mile after mile, without letting its owner down. Number 2. Yamaha XSR700. The Yamaha XSR700 has become a favorite in the US for riders who want a reliable, retro-styled naked bike with modern performance. It combines classic aesthetics with engineering designed to last, making it ideal for those who value durability as much as style. The XSR700 is light, easy to handle, and remarkably dependable, offering years of trouble-free riding whether commuting, weekend touring, or exploring backroads. At the heart of the XSR700 is a 689cc parallel twin engine, liquid-cooled and fuel-injected for smooth, consistent performance. This engine is known for longevity, with many owners reporting over 80,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The motor delivers predictable torque, quiet operation, and a smooth throttle response that makes it forgiving for riders of all experience levels. A new XSR700 costs around $8,500 in the US, offering strong value for a motorcycle that blends style and long-term reliability. Insurance, fuel, and parts are all affordable, and service is straightforward thanks to Yamaha's widespread dealer network. For anyone seeking a motorcycle that merges classic looks with proven engineering, the Yamaha XSR700 delivers a dependable, low-maintenance ride that keeps performing year after year, making it a wise choice for long-term ownership. Number 1. Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing is the ultimate touring motorcycle in the US, renowned for its unmatched reliability and long-term durability. It's designed for riders who want a comfortable, capable, and virtually worry-free bike for thousands of miles of travel. Owners consistently report minimal mechanical issues even after crossing well over 100,000 miles, making it a true long-term investment for serious riders. Powering the Goldwing is a 1800cc flat-six engine that's both smooth and exceptionally durable. Its liquid-cooled, fuel-injected design delivers effortless torque and quiet operation, allowing for relaxed, long-distance riding. A new Honda Goldwing costs around $25,000 in the US, reflecting its advanced engineering, comfort, and longevity. Maintenance costs remain reasonable considering the bike's size and features, and replacement parts are widely available. Fuel economy is respectable for a touring motorcycle, and insurance coverage is straightforward thanks to its popularity. For anyone looking for a touring bike that combines comfort, power, and decades of proven reliability, the Honda Goldwing delivers a ride that keeps performing mile after mile, year after year, without causing stress or expensive repairs. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.